Take your CJ7 all the way to 11. Jeepin' with Cool Guy.
Alright, let's do something a little bit more complicated than that. We're going to take out the hood latch. Now there's screws down, or there's bolts, nuts underneath here. Let's see if I can get this thing to focus and show you where it is. There's those two bolts right in there. So this is a 7/16 nut from what I can tell. There you go, I've got two nuts, two bolts, and one latch. So I powder coated this thing earlier. I want to show you the upper latch part. There's two bolts on the inside of your hood that are right on the inside of this window right here. Get your sucker on the inside. Yeah. Pull it out. There you go. We have now taken off our hood latch. Once again, children, tag and bag, tag and bag. Wanted to show you something real quick. Totally forgot about this from the previous time that it is done. This nut and bolt are new. This bolt is also new. The bolts, or the nuts, originally are welded into the bottom of the actual body panel, so into the fender, up underneath there. So this is the only one that held up to the rust and the weathering. So I'm just going to take this one out because this nut is already permanently attached. So there you go. So hopefully if you're restoring it and it's in good enough shape, you've already got that nut welded in there and you're in a good place and you don't have to replace it with these stainless steel ones. Alright, let's do something a little more interesting. Let's take off some big stuff. I'm going to take off the hood. How do you take off the hood? Well, first off, you start off with your latches. Already got those done. And then you take off your hinges. There's 5 bolts per hinge. This is a 1/2 inch bolt head. Okay, 5. I put these things in a little while ago. I was a little overzealous with the anti-seize compound. That stuff is a pain in the ass to get out. Once you get that stuff on your skin, on your clothes, it takes forever to get the junk out. It's annoying. Alright, so there you go. Boom. Hinge. Wow. Okay, there you go. 5 more. 1 hinge. Okay. Well, that's pretty much it. All I have to do is unlatch it there. And probably be a good idea to have somebody help you out with this. It doesn't seem like this is truly a one-man job. Okay, we're going with the He-Man approach. Lift it straight up. And there you go. The great reveal.